Now I'm back here, don't mind the center console. This is for the next video, y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, here go my radio with my bezel. I didn't need to replace this bezel because the bezel was in really good shape, you know what I'm saying? And this is my old 9-inch radio. Like I said, we're gonna be replacing this one with the Apple Carplay radio. I basically just bought another radio just for Apple Carplay basically. And this radio turns up on the volume a little bit louder than this one does, you feel me? This one goes to like 30, this one in my charger goes to 40. Need to figure out what I can do, but this is the radio side by side, and like I said, unfortunately this one on the back end is smaller than this one. I'll actually see it now, side by side comparison. So like I said, I just got to figure out how I can get it to hold without moving like I had with this one. So I'm gonna have to figure out something I can do to actually get it to hold, you know what I'm saying? I can't put the radio in the car to hold it because then I won't be able to get this bracket on. So like I said, I gotta figure out what I can do. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Man, y'all see the title thumbnail. I told y'all excuse me, told y'all a couple videos ago that I went ahead and ordered a new 9-inch radio for my Cutlass, and the one I ordered now, it has Apple CarPlay. The one I ordered now is literally the exact same one that I ordered for my charger, you know what I'm saying? So now my charger has Apple CarPlay, this car has Apple CarPlay, and I'm debating on buying another one of these 9 inches and put it in the box Chevy, you feel me? And all my cars have the same radio, Apple CarPlay and everything, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm thinking. Honestly, I don't want to, because the one in the box Chevy, it fits in there perfectly, you know what I'm saying? Fits on the bezel perfectly, and it looks good. It looks good in there, and the Bluetooth works. So I really didn't want to change it out for the 9-inch, but I'm contemplating, man. I'm thinking about doing it. But like I said, man, this video we not gonna be taking nothing down and wiring it. That's gonna be the next video. Y'all stay tuned for that. This video, all we doing is unboxing, and I'm gonna basically just show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, this one doesn't have Apple CarPlay. It's just Bluetooth, which, you feel me, it didn't bother me, but until I got the one for the charger, I really like having the Apple CarPlay. So this one doesn't have Apple CarPlay, but my new one does. Now they do sell a 10-inch. I didn't get the 10-inch. I feel like 10-inch would have been a little bit, I mean, it's only an inch difference, but you feel me, I just went ahead and got the 9-inch radio, you know what I'm saying? It ain't no big deal, you know what I'm saying? No biggie, no problem. So that's what I did. Went ahead and got me another one, and like I said, this one has Apple CarPlay. Now unfortunately we won't be able to test it once I do wire it up. We won't be able to test it until I go ahead and plug my battery back up on the car, and I don't feel like doing that just to test the radio. So all we're gonna do is just wire it up and everything will be done, you feel me? So yeah, man, like I said, this video, all we doing is unboxing. I'm basically just show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what I got and what came all in this box. Then the next, actually might be the video after the next one. The next video might be something about my center console, which y'all stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? I done ordered a lot of stuff, bro, and a lot of stuff should be coming in within this week, you know what I'm saying? Everything should be coming in. And like I told y'all, I decided to not order a whole bunch of stuff at once. I decided to order stuff with each project I'm working on. So I'm doing interior work, so I finished the dash, now moving on to the radio. Then from the radio I'm gonna move on to the passenger door panel, which I've already ordered the ABS plastic. It's right there, y'all look and see that big old box. That's the ABS plastic. So I'm gonna try and cut it out today if I can, you know what I'm saying? Try to get that cut out today. If not, I'm gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna cut it out tomorrow, and then we're gonna install the lower panel, you feel me? We're just gonna keep moving and keep rocking out, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, this video, like I said, all we doing is unboxing. I'm basically just showing it to y'all. I know it might be a boring video, but I definitely want to show it to y'all before I just straight up install it, you know what I'm saying? And I know if I did that in one video, it made the video a little too long. Y'all know I don't like dropping no more than like 25 minutes worth of videos, you know what I'm saying? 20 to 25 minutes, within that range. I don't want to drop no more than that, so I didn't want the videos to be dragged out too long, so that's why I just decided make 2 separate videos. So like I said, I got this off Amazon. If y'all was wondering, it's like $90 and shipping was free, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty good deal, $90 for Apple CarPlay radio, and it's a 9-inch screen. So that's pretty dope, bro. I'm telling you, it's pretty dope. But like I said, man, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. I will show y'all. We're gonna unbox it and everything. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing and elevating together, and I'll catch y'all in a second. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this, and I'm gonna show y'all how I mounted this one on my bezel. That way y'all get a good image, you feel me, a good view of how I got it on there. And as y'all can see, it's on my bezel. So like I said, I'm gonna show it to y'all and everything once we get outside the car, basically. But road to 5K, man. Like I said, need y'all help. Hit the share button, share the channel, share the video, subscribe, do whatever you can to help me reach that goal. But other than that, I'll catch on once we get to the back of the car. Alright, y'all, so we are now back here. Don't mind the center console. This is for the next video. Y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, here go my radio with my bezel. I didn't need to replace this bezel because the bezel was in really good shape, you know what I'm saying? And this is my old 9-inch radio. Like I said, we're gonna be replacing this one with the Apple Carplay radio. I basically just bought another radio just for Apple Carplay, basically. And this radio turns up on the volume a little bit louder than this one does, you feel me? This one goes to like 30. This one in my charger goes to 40. So it goes up a little bit louder. But how I mounted it, I basically just put a screw in the radio, put this bracket that came with the radio on here, and then that was it, you know what I'm saying? Just made the screw tight with a washer, and the bracket don't move, the radio won't fall out. Look, you know what I'm saying? The radio is in there and it won't move. So that's how I mounted it, and I scooted it as far down as I can just so I wouldn't cover up my climate control bezel, you know what I'm saying, my climate control thing. So I screwed it down. That's basically just how I did it. And y'all know I put new clips in there. Well, not new, but put more clips in there because my clips was missing. But let's go ahead and do this unboxing. All right, get my key. And cut this plastic open. I have a little pocket knife or a box cutter, but I just didn't feel like grabbing it, you know what I'm saying? So hold on, y'all, 1 second. Let me respond back to this message. All right. This is trash. And we unboxed the radio. Y'all seen this already, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, come with brackets. So these are brackets that I use, like I said, for my bezel to be able to put that on. Now the only thing is this radio is skinnier on the back. And the wires are a little different, so I will have to rewire that one. But it is skinnier on the back. If y'all look and see, compared to this one, it is skinnier on the back. So hopefully I'll be able to get it on this bezel the same way I got that one on. If not, then I'm gonna have to figure out something to do. And like I said, the wires are different, so I will have to rewire this radio, which it don't really bother me to rewire it. So I'm just hoping I can get some screws in here to be able to put it on here just like this one is. But yeah, honestly, in this video we can go ahead and pull this off. Yeah, that's what I'm going ahead and do. But it also comes with the backup cam, the GPS, which I'm not putting the GPS in. The backup camera I might install later. We might come back and install that later just so I can have a backup cam, like just to modernize the car a little bit. But the GPS we're not using. And it should be it. I'm gonna plug in my little USB piece so I can have some extra USB ports, even though I'm gonna end up putting another one in there, which I've already ordered. It should be on its way. That should be on its way. It should be here the same day with my cup holder. I ordered the cup holder, which I'll talk to y'all about that in the next video, you know what I'm saying? All that'll be here real soon. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's pull this radio off while I got y'all on camera. Oh my gosh, on my phone. People keep blowing up my phone, dog. So we finna go ahead and see if I can get this radio on here. Hopefully, I'm telling you, hopefully I can, bro. Because if not, then I'm gonna have to just send this back and we're just gonna have to leave what's in here now. Just leave it in. charger just like mine. Okay, so this one won't work. Sound like it was straight piped, no muffler. Oh, don't tell me I ain't got no screwdriver head that'll fit this. Come on now. I might have to go and find me a different screwdriver. Okay, I got one. Should say. Alright. Get this screw out of here. Get that out. And get that out. And then let's pull this side off. And get this radio out of here and see if I can get my new one on. That bracket off and get that screw out. Alright, and now my bezel comes off. I go my bezel, you know what I'm saying? And the reason why I got this big radio is because I didn't want to cut up this bezel to put a different radio on. So that was the whole point of me using that big old radio. Now hopefully, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get no bracket on here. Dang it, man, dang it. I'm finna see if I can try something. Cause I definitely want this radio on. Okay, so this screw goes on there. I definitely want the Apple Carplay. Alright, let's see. Almost lost that screw. Alright, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do this, but I'm finna just try and see what I can get. How can I do this? Because I definitely knew this back was different. I figured I'd be able to get it on there some way, somehow. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I really don't know. Alright, man, let me try and see what I can figure out real quick without making this video be too long, because it's just supposed to be an unboxing. So let me see what I can figure out, how to get this radio stick on here, and so I can use this one. And I'll be right back to y'all. But this is how we're gonna look. It's like the exact same radio, just this one has Apple CarPlay. So I'll be right back in a second. Alright, y'all, so I got it on there. You feel me? It's not all the way on there like I would want it to be, and it moves just a little bit. But what I had to do was put one bracket on the actual radio, then put another bracket on with a washer and a bolt, and it ain't gonna go nowhere. It's just I don't like that rattling. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that. And even though the bracket will be stuck in the car, I don't like that rattling. So I'm trying to figure out something later on. I got plenty of time, you know what I'm saying? The only thing I'm finna do is wire it up. So I got plenty of time to figure out what I can actually do to hold it down. But yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to hold it down, because I really want to keep that radio in there. And then if not, then like I said, I can just throw this one back in there. I have both of them. So yeah, I need to figure out what I could do. But this is the radio side by side, and like I said, unfortunately this one on the back end is smaller than this one. I can actually see it now, side by side comparison. So like I said, I just got to figure out how I can get it to hold without moving like I had with this one. So I'm gonna have to figure out something I can do to actually get it to hold, you know what I'm saying? I can't put the radio in the car to hold it, because then I won't be able to get this bracket on. So like I said, I gotta figure out what I can do. But like I said, man, for the time being, that'll be fine until I get ready to figure it out. Like I said, I'm not finna put it in there permanently yet. Only thing I'm finna really do is just go ahead and wire everything up. Got all my wires and stuff here. So all I'm finna do is wire it up. Well, actually, go to the wires here. So that's all I'm finna do is just wire it up. Got my battery one, which is this supposed to be a constant power, so it'll be the memory, and then the power on and off, which is this red one, and then the ground, the black one, and the rest of them is for the speakers and everything. So like I said, just gotta figure out which ones, figure out something with this bracket, that way I can get it to actually stay without shaking and moving and all that good stuff. So I'll figure that out though. That ain't gonna be no problem. I'm just take this plastic off. But like I said, I have both, so if I ever wanna, or if I ever need to go back and just put that one back in, then I can, and I will. Ain't that big of a deal. Like I said, I figured something out. But other than that, man, I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoy. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. How y'all feel about the Apple CarPlay? Like I said, it's the exact same radio. I'm just literally getting the Apple CarPlay upgrade. That's basically all I'm doing. So yeah, was it really worth it? Honestly, I don't know. But like I said, that radio also goes up a little bit louder, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just think it's gonna be a better fit, you feel me? I just gotta figure out, like I said, how to get it on the radio bezel itself without it keep shaking. That and I can figure that out off camera. So I figured that out off camera by the time we get ready to go ahead and 1 second. All right, man, my bad about that, y'all. But like I said, man, the only thing I gotta do is just figure out how I'm finna get it to actually stay on my little radio bezel. Other than that, it's all good to go, you know what I'm saying? It looks good, it'll work good, hopefully, you know what I'm saying? We can't really test it to make sure it works because my battery's unplugged, and I really don't feel like plugging the battery up just to test the radio. We'll test the radio in another video after I wire everything up, which would be the video after the next one. So y'all stay tuned for that, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and wire it up and then just sit it in here for now, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna push it all the way in until I get my charging port, which that comes in a couple days, you know what I'm saying? With all the rest of the stuff I ordered a switch for the cup holder light, because I told you I ordered a cup holder, but the cup holder I got this time has an LED ring light in it. So yeah, I just did that just to do it, you know what I'm saying? It's the same price as the regular cup holder, so I just went ahead and got it. So I'm gonna wire that up to a switch and then run it to a power wire, and that comes on when my car come on. Then I ordered some little fuse tapper wires, ordered a bunch of them so I can put one in my charger and put 2 in this car. One of them gonna be for the radio, for the memory wire, you know what I'm saying, that has constant power, and then the other one's gonna be for my cup holder light, you know what I'm saying? So tap them into the fuse and use, like I said, a fuse tapper wire, and they come with fuses. So yep, that's on its way. And then what else did I order? I ordered a bunch of little small things, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna talk to y'all about that one in the next video, so y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments how y'all feel about the radio. Like I said, it's the exact same radio, it's just this one has Apple CarPlay, and the volume, I could turn the volume up a little bit higher than the one I had in here previously, which that really won't matter because y'all know we just put DS18, or we are putting DS18 door speakers in here, so turning the volume up won't matter, you know what I'm saying, because these gonna be loud itself. But yeah, it's good to have it, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Won't miss a video. As soon as I drop, y'all get that notification. Then share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below, you know what I'm saying? And did I tell y'all share the channel, man? Roll to 5K subscribers. So I need y'all help hitting that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe, do whatever you can to help me reach that goal. But other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. It's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.